Ito na, Sarah G Live. I will miss the transformation of a beautiful girl during rehearsals to a radiant performer just before she steps out on stage. Malaking asset ka sa kahit anong show. I think you're a great asset to have. ABS is truly proud and blessed to have you. Please do not change, regardless of where your career may take you. So, God bless you, Sarah. We love you and we will support you from here, as of 2012, 110%.
To my dear sweet Sarah, congratulations on your new TV show, Sarah G Live. I hope to be a guest, a constant guest. Anytime you need me, whenever you need me, you know you can count on me. I'm gonna miss you here on ASAP, but that's what a kapamilya does. That's what family does. We breed our children, we raise them, and then we set them free. So now it's all up to you to take everything you've gotten from this show and all the shows you've done in the past with me and with whomever. Take that, all of that, make it shine on Sarah G Live. God bless. I love you.
Hey Sarah, naku, mamimiss ka namin sa ASAP dahil mawawala ka na. Pero naman, bongga naman yung magiging show mo as a solo performer naman. Hawak mo na yung show mo ngayon. So I'm so very happy for you. At mamimiss ko yung mga duet natin na makatanggal hininga ng mga songs. Anyway, sana mag-guest mo ko dyan sa show mo. Good luck!
Alright, and I guess we just want to wish Sarah G, she's off. The greener pastures for herself. She's there to grow. So it's always good. You go where you grow. That's what I say. So good luck with that. And too bad though, we just did one number. So hopefully we can do more, right? I'm gonna miss that. So you owe me one. Alright, isa pa tayo.
Good luck on your new show, Sarah.
Good luck sa iyo. At
ano nga ulit yung mamimiss mo kay Sarah?
kahit naman dito ko sa ASAP, namimiss ka namin. Pader lang, oh. Pader lang pagitan. Naririnig kitang
Sarili ka lang namin nakikita. Sa monitor.
Sa monitor. Ganda-ganda mo. Mami B, ingatan mo yan, ha? I just want to say good luck. I'm sure you don't need it. You know, and we all know how talented you are, how blessed you are as a performer. And I'm sure you'll do well. So good luck, Sarah. And we're here to support you, especially this guy.
Ano na lang, hindi na sa ASAP, pero manonood pa rin kami ng bago mong show.
Sarah, it's a bit of a shock na nalaman ko na alis ka na ASAP. Very well known. Isa ka sa mga pillars ng show na to. And I don't know if I'd be happy, but of course it's a big move for you. And it's I guess it's finding time for you to grow. You have so much talent. You have so much to give. So I know this show will be a lot of fun. This show will bring out another side of Sarah that a lot of people haven't seen yet. So I'm excited. And kahit na magiging malungkot ang asa because wala na isang napakagaling na performer, we're all wishing and we know this is a good move for you. And we know na marami ka pa mas mapapasok tao because of your new show. So congratulations, and pag nabis mo kami, ito lang kami. We'll always be waiting for you, and I'm a big fan. Congratulations.
What's up, Sarah G? Greetings from New York. And first off, I want to greet you a happy Valentine's Day. And I know that your new show is coming up, and ikaw talagang deserving dyan kasi, I always tell you, you're like the Beyonce of the Philippines. So I'm very excited for you, very happy for you. I just hope now when I get back, you'll have me guest on your show. But anyways, congrats, and I will see you soon.
Hey Sarah, una-una good luck sa bagong show mo, Sarah G Live. I'm sure maging hit yan, and I'm sure gusto na maraming tao yan. Siyempre may miss ka namin dito sa ASAP dahil mawawala ka, but alam namin na pabalik ka rin, and ang miss namin yung mga prods mo, yung ngiti mo, yung mga tawa-tawa mo, but good luck na sa bagong show mo, and like I said, I'm sure maging hit yan at gusto na maraming tao yan. God bless, good luck.
Hi, Sarah!
Sarah Jane Pais.
Sarah Henry.
Ay, heroine mo ba? Pambira, hindi mo sinasabi. Kala ko si... Gusto ka na, Sarah. Kahit di ka namin masyado nakikita, we're very, very proud of you. Congratulations sa bagong success mo. More blessings to you, tsaka sa family mo, tsaka sa love life. Ay, wag doon. Kasi, wag muna.
Sa bagong show.
Congrats. Sa bagong show mo.
I'm really very happy for you. You have a new show. Kayang-kaya mo naman yan. Sarah G Live. So, God bless. I know na wala lang to sa'yo. Magaling ka naman eh. So, have a great time. Enjoy it. God bless.
This 2012, witness as she takes you to the next level. Brighter, fiercer, and stronger because Popstar is the new diva.